If you want to use Circle to Search on OnePlus 15, then first of all, of course, we can check if Circle to Search is enabled. By default, it is enabled, but just to be sure, we can go to Settings, then scroll down to System and Update, and then go to System Navigation. In here, you should be able to find Circle to Search, regardless if you use buttons or gestures, you should be able to find it in these settings. So if we know that it is enabled, then what you can do now is if you use buttons for navigation, you want to press and hold the home button like this. And if you use gestures for navigation, then you want to press and hold the navigation bar that you have at the bottom of the screen. You will open this Google Circle to Search overlay, and now we can, for example, draw a shape around the subject that you want to search for using Google. You can of course still keep drawing, you can draw again in case you want to do that. You can reposition the selected area and you can resize the selected area as well. And also what you can do is you can tap on the subject and it works like that as well. So this is how you can search for an object or try to get some information about the selected object over here. We can also choose to search for exact matches and so on and so forth. But besides that, what we can also do is we can use this search bar, of course. At the bottom we also have this microphone. You can use this button in here right next to it, next to the search bar, in order to search for a song. So if there is like a song played in the background and you want to know the title of that song, then you should be able to use this feature and you will get Google search results with that song title. And also we have screen translation, so we can select this translation icon in order to translate the screen from the detected language to the selected target language. And in this case, let's say I'm gonna choose something like I don't know, something like Latvian, for example. And there we go. Unfortunately, we cannot scroll down yet using the translation. Well, in theory we should be able, apparently, if we use two fingers, but it seems that at least in this case it is not working properly, so you can give it a try in different apps. But this is how we can use Circle to Search, more or less, of course. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.